Hey guys, in today's video we're going to see how to solve this problem called number of senior citizens. So it's an easy level LeetCode question. So let's read the question first of all. You are given a zero indexed array of strings details. Each element of details provides information about the given passenger compressed into a string of length 15. The system is such that the first 10 characters consist of the phone numbers and the next character denotes the gender and the following two characters are used to indicate the age of the person, right? And the last two characters determine the seat allocated to that particular person. So what we have to return? We have to return the number of passengers who are strictly greater than 60 years old. Okay, so basically we are given an array details and these all are the details, right? So each element we have to scan and we have to check if that person is greater than 60 years old or not. If yes, we have to count that and we have to return the count. Simple. So let's see how we are going to solve that, right? So see, the first 10 characters are phone number and the 11th character is the gender and the 12th and 13th character denotes the age, right? And then 14th and 15th character denotes the seat number. So we actually don't have to care anything about the phone number, we don't have to care anything about the seat number, and we don't have to care anything about the gender also. But we have to take care of age. So age is in the 12th and 13th position. So the index will be 11 and 12, right? Since the indexing is starting from 0, these two will be having 11 and 12 index, right? So nums of 11 will give the character 1 and character 2 will be nums of 12, right? So this character 1 and character 2, this is in character, but I want that in integer, right? So how to do that? Minus 0 character. So this will give the integer value, that is int c1 will be containing the integer value of character 7. Right. So once we got C1 and C2, C1 is the first value, C2 is the second value. Let's say C1 is 7 and 5 at the moment, right? So we have to convert the 7 and 5 to 75, right? 75. So that we can compare this age with 60 and we can check whether it is greater than 60 or not. If it is, then we are just going to simply increment the count and at the end we are going to return that count. So how to convert 7 and 5 to 75? Take this 7 and then make a vacant space, that is 0, put 0 here, and then add 5 to this, so this will become 75. Right. So how I made this vacant space? It's simply by doing into 10. Right. So 7 into 10 plus 5, this will be giving 75. So can I say digit 1 into 10 plus digit 2 will be giving a single integer value, that in this case we got 75. And then we are just going to do something like if 75 is greater than 60 C++ or count plus plus. Right, so let's look into the code, right? So I'm just going to iterate through details and s of 11 will be digit 1 and s of 12 will be digit 2, but these two are in character, right? So to convert it into integer we are just going to do this minus 0 character, so we got d1 and d2, that is digit 1 and digit 2. So age will be digit 1 into 10 plus digit 2, and at the end we are just going to check this age. If it is greater than 60, please count it and then return this count at the end. So coming to the time complexity, it will be O of n. Why? Because this loop is going for O of n times, where n is the size of details, and the auxiliary space will be O of 1. Why? Because we are not using any extra space to solve this problem. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.